Well, maybe this is a familiar sight to you. It is the Davao Airport, and I'm now landed, getting ready to get to the hotel. And you also are going to meet some of our team here who are collecting our baggage. So everybody say hello. Say hello. Say hello. You'll be seeing them when you get to the event. So I want to make sure that you bring some paper to take some notes with. And remember, also I would recommend that you bring something, it can be cold in the room, so bring something to keep you warm, a jacket or a sweater or something like that. That'll be very helpful for you. This is going to be fantastic. Remember, if you're looking to create the kind of lifestyle and income that's going to give you the freedom to be able to travel the world and be able to pick up your bags from Paris or London or Brussels or the south of France or wherever it is you want to travel to, and not worry about cost, fly business class, fly first class, and hang out with some cool people, this is the event you want to be at. So, I will see you there. Live in Manila, in the Philippines. There are over 1,500 people in this room. Congratulations, they are going to change their lives, turning their lives and their dreams into dollars, making money in dollars, spending it in dollars. And we'll all